Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany. You guys can call me Tiff. My channel is basically all things beauty, lifestyle, crafting, and sometimes I bake. So if that is something that you guys are into, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so it can notify you every time I upload, which is every Friday. As for today's video, it's going to be a springtime makeup tutorial. Because you know, April is right around the corner, spring is coming, even though the weather is like giving Christmas time. Hopefully, if we kind of just like adjust and manifest it, it'll just come sooner. I'm over this cold weather. So it is this look right here, nothing too crazy. I kept it very simple and very light with my products this time because it's spring. You want to look like glowy, dewy. You want that like commercial vibe of me running in a field of flowers type of deal. So this is what I came up with. But yeah, if you guys want to know how I got this look, keep watching my video. So first we're going to go in with the Vital C Hydrating Eye Recovery Gel, and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid because they are just a little dry. Then following with the Vital C Hydrating Anti-Aging Serum and adding that all over my face, disregarding my eyes, and we're going to just let that sink in for a little bit. Once it's settled in, I'm going to use the Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer and apply that all over my face. So getting into the makeup, we're going in with the Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax and applying that to our brows. I'm going with kind of a fluffy brow today, so pushing all of my brows up and then kind of just styling them. Going in with my brow palette, I'm just going to fill in any empty areas I have in my brows. Since I did lay them up, there are a lot of empty areas. Going in with my foundation, I am just gonna grab a concealer brush and clean up my brows. I know I want a fluffy look, but I also want them to look sharp and clean. Now to get into the face makeup, I'm going in with my NARS foundation in the color Stromboli. And I'm just applying a small amount all over my face, making sure I blend everything in. For concealer, I'm going with my NARS Medium 2 Ginger. So I'm not applying this concealer how I usually do. If anything, I'm using less. And I'm only applying it in the inner corners under my eyes, the outer corners just a little bit, my forehead, around my nose, and my chin. Now I'm just going to blend this out. I am using a very fluffy eyeshadow brush, but this works perfectly to kind of get those edges out and not really try to move the product around. So in a tapping motion with this brush, you will be solid with wherever you put your concealer. For concealer, I am going with the Conceal Me Makeover Essentials palette, and I'm just applying that on my cheekbones, my temples, and under my chin. Oh, and also my nose. For highlight, I'm going with Dripping in Gold Stick Highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm applying that on the tops of my cheekbones and blending it with my finger. For blush, I'm going with the e.l.f. Putty Blush, and I love this color for blush, especially for the springtime, because it really just gives you spring vibes. Also, if you haven't noticed, all of the products I'm using are cream products, and that's the key for spring makeup. For powder, I'm going with Laura Mercier in Translucent Honey, and I'm just applying that under my eyes and anywhere that I crease. You notice that I have two brushes. The first brush is the blending brush that I had earlier to blend out my concealer. Well, we're using that again to blend out any creasing that we have, and then follow up with the powder and set it, and that's how you get no creasy lines. Like I said, that this look is supposed to be glowy and dewy. The reason I'm only setting certain areas is to still have that look, but I am setting all the areas that I do get super oily in, which is usually the T-zone area. Everywhere else, I might powder just very lightly to set the makeup, but it's still gonna look dewy. For eyeshadow, I'm going with the 351 Icy Fantasy by Morphe. I'm just going to create an eyeliner with an eyeshadow. You can do this with anything. I'm using a face serum sample, but you can grab like a gift card or anything like that. Line it up with the corners of your eyes, then apply the shadow with a small brush. Doing your liner with the shadow just makes it look more subtle and honestly perfect for spring. Now this palette has so many shimmers, but I really love this one. It was like a pastel shimmer purple color. So and all I did was just apply it all over my lid. And that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow, guys. Like super simple, super subtle. Only use 2 eyeshadows and 1 brush, because I'm applying this with my fingers. Super easy. For mascara, I'm going in with the Bad Gal Bang Waterproof Mascara by Benefit, and I'm just applying that on my lashes. I honestly tried something new. I did my mascara before applying my falsies, and honestly, I'm not a fan, because it was very difficult to maneuver over top of the mascara. You guys will see in a little bit, but yeah, not a fan. I'm also applying some mascara on my lower lashes. I already don't have any lashes, so doing this won't like make or break the makeup. But I know some people have really long lower lashes, so to each its own. Alright, now for my lashes, I'm going in with my Ardell Wispy lashes, and I'm just gluing them on. Like I mentioned earlier, they were a little difficult to put on because I put mascara on first, and I curled my lashes, so it's like I just kind of worked against my own lashes to put these on, when my lashes are normally just down and straight, and it's just easier to stick them on because nothing's in the way. So yeah. Now it's time for lips. I'm going in with my Afterglow lip balm, and I'm just applying that to smooth my lips out. For lip liner, I'm going in with Mahogany. If you guys have not been following me, you don't know this, but if you have, you'll notice that this is my go-to lip liner. Like, I use this every single day with every lipstick. It don't matter if it's brown, nude, pink, like it's just, it goes with everything. Once I'm done lining, I like to fill it in a little bit to create an ombre effect. So I'm just filling it in right now and creating some shadow. Then I'm just gonna go in with my finger and blend everything out. For lipstick, I'm going in with the Mehr Matte Lipstick by MAC, and I'm just applying that in the middle. And since we already kind of blended everything out, I'm kind of cleaning it up with a concealer brush, all the edges on the outer corners of my mouth, to get a very crisp look. And then I'm going in with my lipstick and applying that just on top of everything, and you'll see that it'll just automatically have that ombre effect. To set everything in, I'm going in with a Professional Super Setter, and I am showering in this bottle. Like, you want a lot. I decided to add not just my makeup look, but also how I'm doing my hair, because why not? So my vision is to create a ponytail with 2 braids in it, and that's what I ended up just doing. So right now I'm just putting my hair up, making sure that the middle part that I have right there is perfect, and I want everything laid back. So I just created a small ponytail, grabbed my mousse, and I'm just applying that on my hair to lay any hairs that are just, you know, standing up, just in the way, and then I'm gonna brush it out again. Once I've brushed it out, I am going to remove the ponytail and rebrush my hair. And also, now that everything's kind of flat, this is going to be my final tie. Now that we have our ponytail, we're gonna split that ponytail in 2 and start braiding. Once you're done with your braids, if your hair is anything like mine and you have flyaways because of your layers and whatnot, grab your mousse and put a little bit in your hands and put that all over your braids. You can easily leave your hair like this, but if you're like me, you will curl the front parts of your bangs because why not? It looks cute. Alright guys, so that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial and I hope you guys enjoyed the voiceover. But other than that, that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and hopefully you guys used my makeup tutorial to recreate it. If you guys do, go ahead and tag me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique, and I'll be back with more videos.